How to boost nitric oxide naturally. Being a health-conscious person, you must have heard about nitrates and nitric oxide. Well, did you know how important it is for our health? How can you boost it naturally? Let's have a deep insight. Nitric oxide is essential for our bodies and impacts our health in many ways. This molecule is a source of vasodilation, i.e., the relaxation of the inner muscles of our blood vessels, widening the blood vessels and increasing blood circulation. Lack of adequate supply of nitric oxide can create many health problems, like diabetes, health diseases, and erectile dysfunction. Bear in mind to consider your body just like a machine, where what you take in puts an impact on what you get in return. But you must not be concerned, as there are a lot of ways to increase the supply of nitric oxide naturally in your body. Let's have a look at each one of them one by one. Number 1. Eat vegetables high in nitrates. Well, you must have received the advice from many doctors and your elders about the importance of vegetables for your health. They are actually very true. Vegetables play a very important role in increasing the supply of nitric oxide in your body. Certain vegetables include the compound nitrate, which is converted into nitric oxide in our bodies. The actual source of this biofuel, being the nitrate, is the vegetables, which we normally ignore. The vegetables which are rich in nitrates include arugula, oak leaf, lettuce, celery, chard, spinach, chervil, bok choy, cress. So, you must get rid of the food that is making you deprived of nitrates and shift towards the nitrate-rich vegetables and make your life rich with nitric oxide. Number 2. Get rid of your mouthwash. Lack of mouth bacteria can cause the lack of nitric oxide in our bodies. This weird diagnosis has everything to do with the science of microorganisms in your body. The term microbiome is closely related to the billions of good or healthy bacteria that live inside your intestines and stomach. The oral bacteria in your mouth play a vital role in releasing the nutrients like nitric oxide from your food. Your mouthwash can give a fresh and minty breath, but actually kills the microorganisms that produce nitric oxide. If you use antiseptic mouthwash, then this is a problem, which also impacts your erections. Instead of mouthwash, use your toothbrush and scrape your tongue instead. Number 3. Get more sunlight. Well, you must remember the time when the pandemic hit us back in 2020. All of us were confined inside our homes in isolation. Other than the physical and mental health problems, it also impacted the nitric oxide levels in our bodies. Recent medical studies found a clear link between ultraviolet radiation and nitric oxide release. The damage done to our bodies by the changes in blood pressure can be compensated by the UV-induced photolysis of nitric oxide in our bodies. One study found that sunlight is responsible for more than 80% of nitric oxide in our blood. So, if you fear too much sunlight, you must also fear too little of that and get more exposure. Number 4. Consume more garlic. The benefits of using more garlic have a complete science behind them, which you cannot neglect. Garlic is a potent synthesizer of nitric oxide. Studies reveal that garlic can boost the NO levels of your body by 40% per hour. If you live around the health-conscious people or visit them a lot, you must have noticed that people with healthy hearts are regular and frequent users of garlic. Other than decreasing blood pressure, it also helps in giving a boost to exercise problems in individuals with health problems. Number 5. Don't be a mouth breather. This tip will help you in many ways other than providing nitric oxide. Doctors found out that more than 80% of the population breathes improperly, which causes problems in the balance of gases in our bodies. For example, breathing through your mouth can restrict the amount of oxygen that your body can take from the air, bypassing your sinuses, which is an essential production area of nitric oxide. Studies reveal the impact of your way of breathing on your heart and health. The good news is that this habit is easy to break, and you can shift to the nitric oxide-friendly way of breathing without much effort. For more information on boosting nitric oxide naturally, download my free ebook at the URL in the description box. So this has been the effective guide from our side that you can take to boost the nitric oxide in your bloodstream naturally. If you found these tips helpful, apply these to your life and live your life with the best of health. Also, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more videos like this one.